Good evening, I'm John Brown, and you're watching WBC News. In a stunning turn of events, South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol has been impeached, following a ruling by the Constitutional Court on Friday. The decision comes just 4 months after Yoon's controversial declaration of martial law, a move that sent troops to the streets of Seoul and sparked national outrage. Yoon, 64, had a meteoric rise to power, securing the presidency in 2022 only a year after entering politics. However, his downfall was swift. His approach, characterized by boldness and a refusal to compromise, worked during his time as a prosecutor, but proved disastrous in his role as president, where collaboration with a divided legislature was key. Yoon's martial law decree was intended as a desperate measure to rally public support against what he called anti-state liberal lawmakers who were blocking his agenda. However, the move quickly backfired. The opposition-controlled parliament swiftly nullified the decree and initiated impeachment proceedings, which ultimately led to Friday's court ruling. In the aftermath, Yoon expressed regret for not meeting the expectations of the people but did not state whether he would accept the court's decision. He also faces criminal charges of rebellion, which could lead to severe penalties, including the death sentence or life imprisonment. To understand the rapid fall of Yoon's presidency, it's important to look at his background. Prior to his rise in politics, Yoon served as a prosecutor for 26 years, gaining national prominence in 2013 when he accused his superiors of attempting to obstruct high-profile investigations into the Park Geun-hye administration. His unwavering stance earned him respect as a fearless prosecutor. Yoon's career took a sharp turn in 2021, when he left the administration of Liberal President Moon Jae-in after conflicts over probes into Moon's allies. Shortly afterward, he entered politics, joining the conservative People Power Party. In the 2022 presidential election, he defeated Democratic Party candidate Lee Jae-myung, though the campaign was marred by personal attacks and harsh rhetoric. On the international stage, Yoon was lauded for strengthening South Korea's military ties with the United States and working to ease tensions with Japan. However, domestically, his presidency was plagued by intense political conflict with the opposition, leading to gridlock in the National Assembly and multiple failed impeachment motions against his officials. The culmination of this political deadlock came in April 2023, when Yoon attempted to break through the impasse by declaring martial law, a move that critics describe as an authoritarian overreach. In his announcement, he labeled the Democratic Party as anti-state and criminal, while the opposition fired back, accusing him of being mentally unstable and a ringleader of rebellion. Many analysts speculate that Yoon's decision was not only driven by political obstruction but also by personal stakes. Allegations involving his wife, Kim Ki-in-hee, including accusations of financial misconduct and improper influence, had become a growing source of controversy, fueling tensions between Yoon and the opposition. Despite the dramatic end to his presidency, Yoon's impeachment has deepened South Korea's political divide. His supporters, largely from conservative factions, continue to view him as a martyr, while his detractors see his actions as a threat to democracy. As the country grapples with the fallout from his impeachment, it remains to be seen how South Korea will navigate the deepening political rift. This is John Brown, reporting for WBC News.